another oldie, but definite goodie is the 1 Minute Manager series. And it is a series by Ken Blanchard, and he often writes them in collaboration with other ones. This is the new 1 Minute Manager, but the one that I talk about all the time, but couldn't find a picture of, is the 1 Minute Manager Meets the Monkey. And these are little fables, little stories about leadership successes and failures and what makes them so. So they are tiny little books that you can read literally while you're watching the kids play sport. The 1 Minute Manager Meets the Monkey is my favourite, but they're all great. Ken is a management consultant. You can Google him. He has lots of fabulous resources on the internet that he shares quite widely, and an email list that he sends great information to. I'm starting to find that he's a bit old and a bit curmudgeonly. Is that a word? No, a bit grumpy old manish. However, the lessons in the 1 Minute Manager series are always excellent, and you can get them almost anywhere. And in fact, the people that you know probably also have them on their bookshelf. This one he writes in collaboration with Spencer Johnson, who was famous for the book Who Moved My Cheese, which is all about how to work with change. I think that's it for that one. 1 Minute Manager series. Buy them secondhand because they don't last that long. They're so quick to read. And yeah,